Hello students, today we are going to be learning a map. Previously we learned how to write a bar graph and line graph, and today we are back to learn map. As you can see here on the screen, we have a picture of two plants of a village named Pancha, and here we have the question which reads: the two plants below show Pancha village in 2005 and 2015, which means there is a comparison between the changes between the developments that you can observe here on the picture. So it is all about comparisons and several changes and several additions to the village. And as you can see, I would suggest you first to look at the picture, look at the graph whenever you see in the exam or whether you are practicing. जैसा आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे ये 5 complexes है, residential complexes, and here we have a market which was later changed for a better arrangement and as well as enlargement. And as you can see here, the residential complexes had better communication in 2015, and the road here which connects north and from north to south is also was improved in 2015. And as you see here, a primary school which was later developed for a better education, as well as some buildings were erected to provide better facilities to accommodate higher number of students. And here for better communication, two towers were also installed in the southwest region of the village, and a road which was improved and constructed well with a line for electricity as well as some signboards alongside it. And as you see here, two residential complexes which were available in 2004 can be seen in the plan for 2005 were missing, and one had improved better communication. As you can see here, it is a cable connection disk, and there were in traditional antennas in 2005. And here on the east west there was, sorry, southeast, there were pagodas, two pagodas, and then in 2005 their number increased, and they were of similar design in 2015. So this is what we observe, and हम ये observation से हमें पता चलता है कि हम क्या लिखने वाले हैं मैप में. ओके, अब क्वेश्चन की बात करें तो the two plants below show Pancha village in 2005 and 2015. Summarize the information by selecting and putting main features and make comparisons where relevant. And here we have a word limit 150 words, and as you know you are gonna write 180 to 190 words. इंट्रोडक्शन की बात करें तो as you know इंट्रोडक्शन में हम पैराफ्रेज करते हैं. So here I have paraphrased it to the provided picture, which is here, compares how different amenities were improved in a village over a period of 10 years. ये देख सकते हैं आप, यहाँ पे जो amenities है मतलब facilities है that were improved over a period of 10 years. And also you can here write over a decade instead of period of 10 years. Okay, so you can paraphrase it anyway, sorry, in any way. And overview की बात करें तो overview is our overall or observation at glance. As you can see here, the two towers were installed, which is eye-catching, and here a road was developed as well as primary school was converted, or you could say upgraded into primary and secondary school. So these three things are eye-catching and gonna be in our overview. यहाँ पे overall it is manifest from the illustration that the village underwent crucial changes. Crucial changes बोले तो important changes which were regarding education, transportation and communication. Education, here you can see secondary school, and here it is transportation for transportation, and here in the southwest the village had two tower or 2 radio stations, we could say, for better communication. Okay, so as a school, a road were built and 2 towers were erected as part of improvements in education, communication and transportation. So this is what I wrote as an overview. Okay, so let's head to body paragraph 1. In 2005, on the left of our screen, in the southwest of the village, which is here, the market was developed for a better arrangements as well as it grew larger in 2005. Here I wrote about the market, which was here in the southwest, and then later it was upgraded into a larger layout as well as better arrangements. As you can see here, markets is well arranged in this picture. So it was arranged, or it was improved for better arrangements as well as it grew larger. Furthermore, in the south of the market, यहाँ पे market के अगर south की बात करें, 2 towers were installed so as to enhance communication after a period of 10 years. यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं आप इस पिक्चर में कि यहाँ पे there were 2 towers installed in 2005 so as to enhance communication facility. Besides, some residential complexes in Pancha upgraded their antennas in 2005. As you see here, residential some complexes, some have improved and some did not improve, but some had improved their antennas for better communication over a period of decade. In the village, a road was constructed to facilitate better traffic management with an electric line and some signposts alongside it. As you see here, in 2005, वहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे कच्चा रोड था और कोई ऐसा वेल मैनेज्ड नहीं था ट्रैफिक, मगर यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि बहुत ही अच्छा रोड बनाया गया था, मगर आपको ये लिखना नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा. But as you can see here, there were several signposts installed on the alongside of road, as well as you see here, an electric line is also installed to provide electricity. So in the village, a road was reconstructed to facilitate better traffic management with an electric line and some signposts alongside it. So this is what I have written in body paragraph 1. As you must be able to observe or understand that I just wrote about this section, which is here west side. I have just talked about this. I just wrote about this in first body paragraph, and I will be mentioning these changes in body paragraph 2. Okay, you can manage on your own ways. For example, you can talk about these things, these changes in your map by just dividing them or categorizing them on the base of their types. So any layout will be better, but I prefer this. You can here manage by just dividing पहले लेफ्ट साइड एंड देन राइट वाला, और यहाँ पे आप इस तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं कि जो टाइप है फैसिलिटीज़ का उसके हिसाब से भी डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. बॉडी पैराग्राफ 2 की बात करें तो जैसा कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं, यहाँ मैंने अब इस बारे में लिखूंगा. तो आई जस्ट बिगेन राइटिंग अबाउट स्कूल. द प्राइमरी स्कूल वॉज रीडेवलप्ड एंड न्यू बिल्डिंग्स वर बिल्ट फॉर सेकेंडरी स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स बाय 2015. तो यहाँ पे जो स्कूल आप देख सकते हैं वो रीडेवलप्ड हुआ और was also had some facilities added for secondary education and in by 2015 to provide higher education and accommodate more students. As you see, it expanded a little bit and a new building was developed, was erected, you could say, स्कूल में. तो बहुत और ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट को फैसिलिटेट करने के लिए ये डेवलप किया गया था इन 2015. सो आई जस्ट रोट अबाउट दैट. इन द ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ पंचा, ईस्टर्न पार्ट यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, ये ईस्टर्न रीजन है. part of Pancha, 2 houses disappeared over 10 years. It is also important that you write about things that changed, and this is, I think, an important change in here, that 2 residential complexes or 2 houses disappeared over a period of 10 years. Additionally, the bigger pagoda had been demolished to develop 2 new ones in the southeast of the village. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, this is the southeast region, and in here 2 pagodas, there were 2 pagodas in 2005, and in 2015 uh, one was demolished and 2 new small pagodas were erected, replacing the old one in 2015. So this is what we have in body paragraph 2, and there can be different types of structures you can use, but I prefer this, and I hope you understood, and that's it for today, and we'll see you in another lecture.